Hello to everyone. Before we are going to enter house, I just want to say thank you for watching my channel and subscribing and for all activity what you do. Some job to finish a little bit, to clean house and to fit some four sinks, but overall it's finished and I want to show you. Behind me this is a water tank which will supply water for us. Even when we don't have electricity, and I want to show you what is inside house because our furniture made from cement, I think 80% cement and wood. It wasn't easy to make in a place we're living. People never really heard about that kind of concept, so we're a little bit like a pioneers here. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you where we're going to live and what kind of plans I have for future. I think in a month and a half we will be here. I'm always giving a little bit more time. After 3 years of living in India, I understood that 1 month, it's not 1 month in India. It could be a month and a half, 2 months. So please welcome to see my home. Here, and this is our sitting place, and there will be some cushions and pillows, and here will be a table for my husband to have some meetings. For electricity, I don't even know how people calling it, so for electricity we choose this color. This is the first room. Right here we decided to make a room for a laundry, for cleaning, I don't know, shoes. Basically it's a laundry room. Here there will be some iron board to put. And eventually I want to add some shelves right here on this side. Next room, it's a heart of the house, I guess, center room. This sofa is huge. For a big party, I think it's perfect. So many people can be seated here. And later we will put 2 tables in this area. And in this, here will be some lamps standing for more light. I think it's the darkest room. Here's our bedroom. It's our bed, and the place is quite spacious. On both sides we have bed tables, everything made from cement. Here there will be some storage. This is the rest of our room. You can see sitting areas right here. There will be cushions and pillows, same concept. This is a little bit higher, and right there in front I will put some table. That part is wardrobe and toilet room. Storage. I mean, we're going to keep clothes here. Everything is painted. We don't have that much shelves. This is for our clothes. After ironing, we're just placing it here. That is that. Some things you can keep a little bit maybe on this shelf, but a lot of inspiration we got from Pinterest. But overall, my husband had a lot of ideas in his head, and he just figured how to make it real. This is our toilet and shower room. On this side will be shower, and in the middle we need to put sink. There's a toilet, and I think On this side we will have some storage. This is a guest room, my favorite room as well. I think because sunset time, sun is playing with the surfaces here. Whole day was quite cloudy, and when we came here, sun came out. Now I can show you how lovely it is. One thing I wanted to kind of point on, it's a plastic windows. It's not really common to have plastic windows here, but I think isolation is much better, soundproofing, and in general feeling more secure and more convenient. You don't need to paint it all the time, so maintenance is low. Yeah, so we went for plastic windows everywhere in our house. This is another toilet room. Again, shower is also here. I think here behind we will put some shelves right here and some plants. So we had that kind of idea. And on this side there's a shower. All of this pots and everything will be cleaned. We will not have all of this, of course. And this is the next stage. Here, sink and some mirror. Opposite of guest room, we will have TV room. It's not a big room, and we didn't want to make like TV room prioritized, I guess. Here we will have AC. We still don't know what kind of sofa we will have here, what actually to do with that. Maybe it will be just a sitting on the floor thing. Still thinking. There will be TV and some plants. Here we have also shower and toilet. Now we are sliding into second veranda, and slash it will be our eating area. It's a big space. This we saw exactly same shape on Pinterest, and we just decided to go for it because it's just so pretty, and I really love this part. It's like a heart shape. Also, I wanted to add, in our house we don't have angles. Everything is round shaped. All columns what we have, it's round shaped. We're feeling this is I think it's affecting you, making you softer, and also my main point was not to hit ourselves all the time on something sharp. Our furniture is made in this way as well because of that, because we are easy to bruise, easy to get some bruises. Kitchen. Let's go on the kitchen. My favorite place, of course, kitchen. Here, this is like quite modern way, I guess, to make it. In India, they don't have that kind of sitting space. I didn't see normally. I didn't see it in some houses, I guess. So here we will have some sofa, just to have a cup of tea, I guess, at early morning. This is our storage place. Again, Pinterest, thank you for ideas. In the middle we will have some, I don't know, bread maker, microwave, and other things, other tools. And I think later I will make a little curtain here, linen curtain, and we will have main idea to have like some cane boxes to put, to make it as cozy as it could be. This is my job going to be. this lamp, I guess you can say, chandelier. Basically, it was found by my husband on Amazon, and now I like it, how it looks. Before I was thinking to have something different, but I think now it's perfect. And on this shelf there will be some plants and maybe some decor as well. And now we're going back. And I forgot to mention, this is our table, which is going to be placed right here. It was made from trees as they were growing on our tea estate. Actually, all wooden parts in this house made from local trees. We didn't buy it. We just got it from our tea estate. This is second entrance. It will lead to our garden area. Everything is messy, of course, right now. But anyway, I want to show you. Plus, this is a memory for me and for Reed as well. For my. This part, of course, it will go. Everything will be clean. Everything is quite messy here. This will go away. We're keeping this papaya because why not? And this part will be our sitting area. Pillow and cushions will be here as well. Pillow and cushions is a big thing in our house. You can imagine, early morning, you're sitting somewhere here with a cup of tea and book. Brilliant. Here you will see it's a little bit messy and length is not equal, and this part needs to be clean. We're planning not to have a lot of transformation here, but some, well, maybe I don't know, like so far my idea is to have some vegetable beds on this side. There will be some fence for privacy. I want to have arch near trees. We will have, I think, cement made from cement benches or bench. This my husband wants to sit here and see a tea estate. Before I will go back home, I wanted to say thank you for watching my channel and for liking it, for subscribing, and I want to say a small hi to new people, and I wanted to share a little bit about our house for my own memory, to keep it, and maybe after a year or two I can see a progression. So it's quite convenient also to have my memory stored in on YouTube. And of course I would love to share with you all this process as well, because you might find this inspiring, who are looking maybe for some new ideas. Honestly, a lot of ideas you can find on Pinterest. We did our best, my husband did best. I was more, I will give almost like whole credit to my husband, because he was monitoring everything, whole process and mistakes, what was made. He was trying to improve it. We understood that it's a first house, and now we have what we have, and I think it's pretty cool. Actually, I think it's quite unique. I'm liking it a lot. I'm just happy to show all of this, and thank you for watching it. Thank you for being with me. So thank you and bye bye.